Hello, good afternoon everyone. Adam here, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we're doing a walk around startup and a drive video for you on a 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible. This little red car has a 289 engine with a 3-speed manual transmission. I consider this car to be a driver quality car. Very nice, clean, solid car. I'd say it has driver quality paint. Is it perfect? Absolutely not, but it has a very good look to it. Has a few imperfections in it. The price is gonna reflect that. But this car is super solid underneath. I'll have some undercarriage pictures of it very soon. They'll be on my website here probably yet today. Nice little red interior in the car. Back seat's in great shape. It's got a boot for the top. It is a manual top. Yes, you can see it's got some paint flake in the door jamb area. The car mechanically is very, very good. And like I say, it's super solid. It is the original C-code car, so it's a factory 289, 3-speed manual. I'm gonna price this car in the high 20s. 28.9 is what we're gonna price it at. A couple little chips right here. Got a couple little chips right here. I'm sure this car's probably been painted 30 years ago, so you know, it's very, like I say, very nice quality driver car. You can see it's got some little dirt nibs in the hood. Nice underneath the hood. Power steering. Looks pretty well stock underneath the hood. It's got a white wall hand-cooked tires on it with the factory stock hubcaps. Got a couple extra hubcaps in the trunk, spare tire and jack. Car cover, got some flags. Got to have them American flags for the parades. You might see a little orange peel on it. You might see a little dirt in the paint. But like I say, 28.9, very fine running little Mustang for the money. I was very pleasantly surprised with the undercarriage of the car. Very nice, clean, original, and solid. So just like you want them, that's how it is. So it's something you're going to be able to take out, cruise, and enjoy. Get thumbs up, take it to car shows, drive-ins, cruise-ins, cars and coffee. Take the kids and the family out for a Sunday cruise in the convertible with the top down. The white convertible top you'll see in my pictures. It's in good shape as well. Left turn, right headlight indicator. Radio works. Blower motor works. Wipers work. Horn works. That's the paperwork in the glove box. Flashers are in there. I don't think the cigarette lighter works. Say, just a nice running little car. Tail lights, turn signal, headlights work. It's kind of nice having a little car like this. You know, you don't have, you had under 30 grand in it. Wife, kids, family, they can take it out, take it on cruises. Just a nice little enjoyable car. Got a couple little chips there too. Take her out for a spin here. Shut them headlights off, we don't need them on. All the gauges seem to work in it. Oil pressure, fuel gauge, amp gauge, temp gauge, speedometer. Transmission shifts nice. Car drives very nice. Definitely will not be here long for $28,900. Like I say, shy of 30 grand. What do you buy for a Mustang convertible? Especially one that's that solid. This thing's got some snort too. Runs good, 70 miles an hour, right down the highway, no problems. Drives, like I say, drives great. All the seat belts are in here too, so no worries with getting the kids buckled up. Take them for a cruise. So, and that's what the last family did with this car. We bought this car out of a collection. I think we bought like 6 cars, so that's what the family did with it. They cruised it and they enjoyed it, and now it's just time for somebody else to cruise it and enjoy it. Just runs like watch. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. Kinion auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty inventory every day. So give us a call if you want to be the next proud owner of this beautiful 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible. Like I say, 289, factory 3-speed. Just a cute little car. See all the gauges work. There we go. Head her back to town. For a all stock 289 3-speed, this thing runs great. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, again 563-452-2450, kinionauto.com. Thanks for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please hit that red subscribe button. And those of you who have, thank you very much. I'll be back with you here in just a little while with another great quality car.